and Mithilesh is there. Many are there. Now, take out your... Yes, Shama?
Tomorrow is happy
Who's
birthday, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Whose birthday, Mithilesh?
My birthday, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking. Who's that Mithilesh? Because two of them... Okay, Mithilesh. I will wish you, okay, towards the end of the class. Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, enjoy yourself. Great person. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, Mithilesh birthday. Then somebody else also
Mom,
said wishes.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
After
John.
November is my birthday, ma'am.
Okay, we'll celebrate it. Okay. Now we shall start our class. Otherwise, yes.
Birthday.
Whose birthday?
Tomorrow.
Whose birthday?
My cousin's birthday.
Okay, Joansri. Now we'll talk after 11 o'clock.
My brother's birthday.
Okay, Puneet. All you can enjoy now. After 11, we'll have a talk 10 minutes. Okay. Now let's go back to our class. Okay, just listen. Take out your textbook. We are just continuing with yesterday's lesson. Yeah. Please listen. Turn off your mic. Switch on your camera. Turn off your mic, everybody. Now, just 1 minute. That is done. No, correct. Sorry. Now listen, children. Did you write this yesterday? No.
No, ma'am.
Cyrus, we are going to do comprehensive. Yes. We did do. Listen now. Children, lot of disturbance. Open your book, everybody, and take 33, 34. Oh, today's 1. I thought it's 2. Write today's date. Write today's date.
What? Ma'am, what is the page number? This page number. Ma'am, what is the page number? The page number is 33.
Page number 33.
Page number 33. It is the page number 33. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mishti.
Problem on Bakra.
Yes. Now we'll start our class. 1 minute. Sure. Yes, children, are you ready for the class? Yes. Now I'll be asking from A class boys. Now please don't talk in between. Please don't accuse this child. Shashwat. Okay, now. Please don't press anything. Don't do anything in between. Just look at the screen. Now, I want Arush to read. Arush, please read the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read, Arush.
Naina and Sona were going to Shillong.
Going to,
Shillong.
please circle the correct word. Shillong. See, for reading, you are getting marks, so you have to be very, very careful. Naina and Sona were going to Shillong. Now, second question. Second one. Ahil. Ahil, please read second. At once you have to come because we have no time to waste. Ahil. Come on. They were. Come on, Ahil. Ahil, please read the second sentence. Yes, Ahil.
They were
Visiting. Where's your camera, Ahil?
visiting
There, there.
their grandma.
Not grandma's not given there. How can you read?
Oh, Gujarat.
Excuse me. Ahil, turn on your camera and read the second sentence. Ahil. That's all. Turn on your camera, read the second sentence with the answer. They were, you're getting marked for it.
They were
Visiting.
visiting
Yeah.
their
Yes. Good, Ahil. Tell. There, who? Which is the correct word? Which is the correct word? Yesterday we were telling. You don't know the answer. They were visiting their parents or grandparents.
grandparents.
Okay, good. So you have to circle that. Grandparents. Okay. Next one. 1 minute. Now, Arush. Now, Alan, read the
Yes.
third sentence. Yes, good morning.
Yes,
Read the third sentence.
yes, ma'am. The drive from Gujarat
Guwahati, not Gujarat. Guwahati. Yeah.
to Shillong takes
Shillong.
3 hours.
Very good. 3 hours. It takes 3. Guwahati, you can learn how to read it. All other things, very good. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. Very good. Now, Akhilan. Hurry up, Akhilan. Good. Akhilan, please come soon. I will help you to read. I will help you to read. Come on. Yes. Correct answer you must tell me. Dash is a well-known picnic spot in Shillong. Read. Which is the well-known picnic spot in Shillong? The?
Botany.
No. Which is the correct answer? The Sweet Falls. Come on. Say.
Sweet Falls.
Yes, sir. Camera on, please. Children, everybody, if I tell camera on, I'll be tired. The Sweet Falls. Come on. Read after me, please. The Sweet Falls
Sweet Falls.
is a
SWE.
well-known. No.
FAL.
No. Listen, Akhilan. You don't worry about any other work. Don't ask your mother to help you. Please read after me. That means repeat after me. The Sweet Falls, you have to read. You are in second standard. The Sweet Falls
Sweet Falls
is a,
is a
not yet.
well
It's a well-known. Say
known
well-known. Picnic. C-N-I-C. Picnic. Don't spell the word. Read. Picnic. Spot. No, don't say the spelling. See, Akhilan, to your mother also. Akhilan has to read. After class, if you close the book and go, you won't be able to read. Picnic spot In Shillong.
In Shillong.
Now, Akilan, I send the assignment. Try to do it. Don't be waiting for the last minute. Okay. You have to do it neatly and send it to me. Thank you. Now, I want the next person. Anandet. I'm sorry. I didn't circle it. Anandet, please read the first two sentences with the answer. Anandet. Hurry up, Anandet. First two. I don't know who's talking in between there. First two, Anandet. Archan, where is Anandet? Read the first two sentences. Children, we are wasting time of other children now. Okay. Yeah. Naina and Sona were going to. What is the answer? Shillong. The second one you read. Anandit, you read second one. They were. Not there were. They were. Very good. Now Archan read third and four. Third and four, Archan.
Third drive from
Guwahati
to
Shillong
Shillong
takes 3 hours. Very good. You try. You have to read after class also. Read with the answer fourth one. The sweet falls. The sweet falls. Falls. It's a fall. Waterfall like sweet fall. It's a well-known picnic spot in Shillong. Okay, Shillong, not Shillong, Shillong. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Now, who said these words to whom? Now, write their names on the blanks. Only the names, okay. First one. Then you have to, for this, you have to read the textbook. How much longer? Next child is Shashwata. Answer is quite tough. I will help you. Shashwata. Shashwata. How much longer? Who said this word? I will tell you how to find out. Naina to which person? I will tell you. How much? No, 1 minute. 1 minute. How much longer? Naina to who? Tell me. Who said?
Grandma.
Yes, that. No. Naina to. Oh my God, it's Naina to grandma. Sorry, I wrote grandpa. And now 1 minute. Grandma. Naina to. How much longer? Naina ask grandma. Okay, right? Grand. Yeah. 1 minute. Ma'am made a mistake. Don't worry.
ഈ പ്ലീസ് ഒക്കെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയുമ്പോ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം.
Ma'am is gone. Ma'am didn't go.
Naina to, that answer is Naina to grandma. Okay, it's not grandpa. Now we'll go to the next one. Yes. Sorry. Now, second child is after Shashwata. I want Mitra. Not Mitra, sorry. Shamma, please help me to do this answer. Shamma.
The drive from
Guwahati.
Guwahati to Guwahati
To
to
Shillong.
Shillong.
Shillong. Tell.
Now the first
Takes.
Take
3 hours.
3 hours.
Now, who said this? Who said this?
Grandma.
No, 1 minute. I will just tell you where is this. Okay. Which one? Grandma to who? You must tell me grandma to who?
Grandma to Naina.
Naina. Grandma to Naina. Good. Now the answer I will write. Please write grandma to Naina. First one, Naina to grandma, because Naina asked that question. Now grandma to Naina. Next one. Next one. Next child is Shaina Grace. Child is
Ma'am, I don't know who's Naina and who's Sona.
you must read the lesson, then you will know. Okay. You read the lesson, then you will know who's Naina and who's Sona. Okay. And it's written in the textbook clearly who asked to. Okay, Sona, please find out. Now, number 3, I want Shaina to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Shaina, please read.
There is a valley on your side.
There is a valley on your side. Now, they were traveling and they said, there is a valley on your
On
side.
your side.
Now, tell me who said this?
Grandpa said this.
No, wait. No. Just look into your book and find out where is it. There is a valley on your side. Find out from the book. Did anyone find the answer?
Ma'am, Grandpa, ma'am.
No, 1 minute.
Ma'am?
Yes, very good. 1 minute. No.
Ma'am,
Naina.
Naina.
Very good. Who said that answer?
Ma'am, gets here.
Yatsiya, very good. Now I'll tell you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where is it? 1 minute. Others, turn off your mic. Others, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Others, please. Okay, thank you. Please turn off your mic 1 minute. Don't disturb the class. I want to tell the children where is this answer. Sona to Naina. I will tell you the page number. Please take page number. I'll tell you. Now I don't want you to read. See, page number 31. Page number 31. Take. But I love this drive. Said Sona. Naina. Naina, look at the greenery. There is a valley on your side. That means Sona told Naina this word. You have to read the lesson, then only you will get. Page number 31, 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph. But I love this drive, said Sona. Naina, look at the greenery. So Sona to Naina. Answer is Sona to Naina. Okay? Now, we'll go to the next one. Come on. Take D. I want children, please turn off your mic. What disturbance throughout. Turn off your mic, please. Okay. Because you're disturbing us. 1 minute now. Next child is Shashwata. Shashwata,
Yes, ma'am.
please read. Circle the opposites of these words. Okay, one is done. Please read from the book or from the...
Colorful.
Yeah, 1 minute. First one you say. Earlier. What is the opposite of earlier? Earlier. What is written? What is
Later.
later? You have to learn. Now, Shashwata, please read color. Read fast. Colorful.
Colorful.
What is your... Very
Dull.
good.
Big.
That's all.
Tall.
Children are not at all listening. Colorful. Opposite is dull. Because others won't know. Other children won't know. They have to learn from seeing this. 3 words are given. Dull, big, tall.
Big. Tall.
Okay. Colorful opposite is dull. Slowly.
Dull.
Don't be in a hurry. Colorful opposite is dull. Okay, now. Next one. Next one. Who's the child? Samantha, sweetie. I want Samantha to come soon. I don't want you to take long time. Samantha, please hurry up. Every time when I call, you're a little bit slow. Best. Third one, you read, Samantha. See now. Tanvi. Tanvi. See, like this only children not attending the class. Tanvi. Thanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me, Tanvi. Best. Read the third one.
Manvi, ma'am.
Please read third one. Best. Tanvi.
Manvi, ma'am.
Children, please, I told you the spelling. Thanvi. Tanvi. I'm not calling. Okay, now, Tanvi, are you there? Let me see now. Tanvi. These children are not attending the class. I will put just 0 for them, that's all. Now, Arush finished all this. I'm coming back to 2B, children. 2B. Rida, please read third one, Rida.
West.
Yeah. What is the opposite of opposite, not the meaning?
Worst.
Opposite of worst. Good. Those who are not answering. Okay, no, wait. No, that's all. The next person is Riha. Riha,
Ma'am.
read the next one, fourth one. Fast. Read fourth one.
Joy.
Joy. I'm not asking the meaning of it. What is the opposite of joy from the bracket? Opposite of joy. Very happy joy.
Laughter.
Huh? No.
Laughter.
No, laughter is the meaning. Joy. What do you mean by hunger? You're feeling hungry. What do you mean by sorrow? Sorrow, you're very sad. Never mind, you're seeing first time. Sorrow. Okay. Rida.
Okay, ma'am.
That was Riha. Okay, Riha. Now Sanvi. Now it's for Sanvi. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please come, Sanvi. I'm telling the spelling because Sanvi and Thanvi. So don't make mistake. I will tell 2B. Okay. Now read fifth one. Read fifth one.
Pack.
Yeah. Opposite.
Unpack.
Very good. Pack, unpack. Now Sona, please read the sixth one and the
Okay,
opposite. Okay, Sona. Now, Sona, you must read the lesson, then you will know Naina, Sona. Even ma'am was confused with grandpa, grandma, all that. Okay, read the lesson slowly, then you will understand. Now, tell me. Please read. I'm not telling. Sixth one.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Sixth, ma'am.
Yeah, sixth one.
Ma'am. Should.
Shouted. But you are
Shouted?
shout. What is the opposite of shouted? And this somebody will tell in your ears now. What is the word?
Ma'am, they won't tell like me for that.
Tell me. No, not you. I'm telling the word. Word is there. I'm just making the noise. You must tell that
Ma'am,
word.
whisper.
Yeah, good. I'm just giving you a clue, Sona. Whispered. Very good. Shouted opposite. Whispered. Sona is telling nobody will tell like that. No, Sona. Somebody will whisper in the ears. some secrets. Okay, good. Now I want Tangareknam. Please hurry up, Tangareknam. Don't make me wait. Tangareknam. Yes, Tangareknam. No, no answer. Veer, sorry, Tangareknam. My God, full voice. Read 1, 2, 3 with the answer. Earlier. Tell me the answer. Earlier. Circled word from the. Not Shashwata, Tangareknam. Tangareknam, I am asking you to read 1, 2, 3. This child is not listening to me. Tangareknam, read the first word with the answer opposite. Earlier. Listen. Earlier. Read after me. Earlier. No, she's not doing it. Later. Later. Parents, here only you have to help them. Not to tell the answers. You just be there. Colorful. Colorful. Dull. That means no color at all. Very dull. Best. 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 Oh, good. That's the meaning. Opposite. Worst. 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 Yeah. Please, Tangareknam, you have to read every day. Thank you. Now, next child is Veerti. Yes, you don't worry.
Yes,
1 minute. Tangareknam,
Yes,
special
ma'am.
class time, ma'am will make you read. Okay, Veerti, read 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 with the answer. First say the word.
Ma'am, I'm reading.
Veerti, read. Joy. Joy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the opposite.
Joy, sorrow.
Very good. Sorrow. Sorrow. Sorrow.
Sorrow.
Don't say sorrow. Now, pack. Read. You read.
Joy,
Pack.
sorrow.
Second one. Fifth one.
Ma'am, unpack, ma'am.
Pack. No, ma. Read. Question and the answer, Veerti.
Pack.
Pack. What is the opposite? Unpack. Say
Pack.
unpack. Now, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. Unpack.
Good.
Ma'am,
Shouted.
H-O-U.
No.
Short.
No.
Short.
No.
Short pad.
No, shouted. Shouted. Say shouted. Don't worry. No, listen. Repeat the.
Shouted.
Yeah.
Shouted.
Whispered. Whispered. Say after me. Whispered.
Shouted.
Whispered.
Whispered.
Good.
Whispered.
Okay. Not. Don't worry. Yes. For
Whispered.
you. For okay. Enough.
Whispered.
For second standard
Thank you,
children,
ma'am.
it's quite tough. You can read. If you need doubt, you can ask me.
Thank you,
Special
ma'am.
class is set. Okay. Good, Veerti. Then we'll go to the next one. Now this is quite easy. For me it's easy, but you have to you have to cooperate with me and write. Don't worry about it. Read the clues. Add another word. No copying, just listen. Write the new word. New word means compound word. 2 words together, okay? Parents of your parents. That is father and mother of your father and mother. That only grand plus parents, grandparents. Okay, that's given over there. Now, second one, I want Alvin to read the clue. Second one.
Ma'am,
Read. Second one, you read the clue. The ground.
the ground where we play.
What you call the ground you play? See.
Playground.
Yeah. So play plus ground. Playground. Please write neatly. Play plus ground. The ground where we play. Ground. So that is the word over there. Playground, you must not separate and write. That's one word. Playground. Okay. Please write neatly. You can do cursive, but write neatly in your textbook because for your classwork, you're getting mark. Next one. Ants John. Ants John. Come on, Ants John.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where were you all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
days, Ansh? I didn't see you. I want to see your face, please. Yes, Ansh? Yes? Okay. Camera, what
Yes, ma'am.
happened to your camera? Okay, good, good.
Ma'am, I'm
Now
here,
please read the next one. See the clue. Water that falls. Come on, read. Falls
Water that flows
from
for
a height.
height.
What do you call it? From a height, water will fall. What do you call it? Yeah,
Waterfall.
you have to write that fall. Waterfall. Who's that talking in Tamil over there? Something? Who? Jansri, wait. Water plus fall. Waterfall. Very good, very good, Ange. And try to be attentive every day, okay? Good. Now, oh, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhruv, read the fourth one. Read the fourth one. Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am. A shelf where books are
kept.
kept.
What do you call?
Bookshelf.
Yeah, book and shelf. Two words together. You're getting a new word, bookshelf. That's a compound word. Bookshelf. Afterwards, we'll write in classwork, but you learn now. Bookshelf. Okay. The last one. Last one, Dhruv. Good, Dhruv. Harish. Harish, read the fifth one.
The room where we shall sleep.
Be sleep. Don't worry, you can make mistake, you will learn. The room where we sleep. Okay. Tell me which room.
Bedroom, ma'am.
Now wait, don't close because you have to do little more. Bed plus room, bedroom. Hope all would have written this. We'll continue 5 minutes. Wait for me. 5 minutes. Now, big class children. Now, in the end, 1 minute. Hope all would have written this. Please take your next page. It's quite easy. Now listen. That you can write any word. I'm not giving you my answer. Now just look at the screen. Change the first letter to make a new word. See, first word is look. You are removing L, you are getting book. Now, Inian, are you there, Inian? Inian. Okay, Jasiel. Jasiel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Jasiel, can you tell me? Now you got the word ear. Y-E-A-R. Remove Y and tell me another word. So many things are there. So you can write your own, children. Don't write what ma'am is going to write. Ear. Tell me one word. Remove Y and add one letter. There is a fruit. There is an animal. Leave. Come on, tell. Tell anything. An animal. Parents don't help because I just want him to think and tell. Yeah. Excuse me. Not Akshay. No. I want.
Violin.
Huh? Please turn on your camera. What are you talking? Yeah. See, look. L-O-O-K, look. Remove L and you have added B. So, book. Now you remove E and put another letter over there. Okay, now I will do. It's an animal. Bear. B-E-A-R. Many would have written that. And fruit. P-E-A-R. 1 minute. Jake Bobby, can you tell me what did you write? Jake?
Ma'am?
Yes. What did you write? I know 1 minute. Listen, I'm calling Jake Bobby. Jake Bobby, not Rida. I'm calling Jake. Jake, what did you write, Jake? Nobody's in class. Now, I'll call Cyrus. What? Yes, who's this?
Ma'am, we
Shama,
can.
or without her. Only when I call you come, Shama. That's what all the children are coming. 1 minute. Now, I want Cyrus to answer. What did you write, Cyrus? Removing Y, what did you write?
D.
Huh?
D, ma'am.
I cannot hear. Tell the spelling.
Boy.
No, what are they telling? 1 minute. Now, Cyrus,
Boy.
these children are not. Akila, turn off your mic. Cyrus, there is a word ear. Y-E-A-R. You removed that Y and you wrote another letter. Tell me. What did you write? Ma'am wrote bad. What did you write, Cyrus? Tell me. Why they are not telling? I cannot hear, Cyrus. Wait. You tell properly, Cyrus. Tell me the spelling. What is... Oh, you wrote bear. It's not deer. Okay, good. Now, 1 minute. That's what you also wrote the same thing. Good. Now, joy. J-O-Y, joy. Remove that J. Add another letter. Put another letter. I want you to learn. See, bear you can write. Pear you can write. Okay. Here you can write H-E-A-R. Okay, anything you can write. Now, joy. This is for Jake is not there in class. Johannes Thomas, joy. No, 1 minute. Okay, children, I will teach you. 1 minute. Jake, can you tell me? Remove that letter J. Remove the letter J and another word. Put another letter over there. Joy.
Toy.
Very good. Hey, what happened, Jake? You were not there? Okay, toy. Good. Now, many children are... Judah, are you there, Judah? Judah? I also...
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Judah, see pack. P-A-C-K, pack. Remove P. And you just write another... Very good. Very good. I don't know what... I wrote sack. You can write back. B-A-C-K, jack, anything. Okay, a new word. Back, sack. Okay. You will learn it. I will make you write in the classwork now. Now, next child is Jonathan Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell. Dish. Now, dish. Remove D and put another word. What is it?
Fish.
Fish. Oh, good. Ma'am also wrote fish. Good. Fish. Now, Johannes Thomas is not there. Johan, not there. Now, I'm giving you, Jane, I'm giving you a chance now. Jane, because you are new to my class today, can you tell me the next word? Excuse me. Jane? Yeah, good. Cake. Now, remove that C and make another word.
I removed C.
Yeah, remove that. Put another letter. You will get a new word. What is that? Bake. Okay. Make, lake, anything. I just wrote bake. Okay. Okay, children, now like this. Okay. Now no need to do this. Now listen, like this. You have to learn many words. Okay, now I'll come back to you. Now listen, be good, enjoy your weekend. If you can, try to do the assignment. I will just see for Jane what can I do. But children, many are absent today. Many are absent. And I don't know whether they are coming in between also, okay? They are going away. Must not do that because certain things are little tough. Now, have a nice weekend. Very good. I will check the books when I have time. Bye, children.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, look after your health. Don't be running about. Shashwat, I don't know what. Shashwat to be.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, Dia. Dia, who's that? Dia.
ma'am, Faizan, ma'am.
Yes, Paisan, I'm angry with you. Really, I'm angry. Okay, because you're not attending the class. Okay, Paisan.